This is how I cook my chicken. As you can see, I just put a little bit olive oil. Actually, I'm not advertising that. And the stove is ready. So I want to put the chicken on the pan. I just put the stove on medium. Then I'll put the chicken in. Alright. As you can see, I put the chicken on the pan now. Just gonna give them a few minutes, then I'll cover to cook through. Okay? I'm gonna keep on showing you what is happening here. I put all the spices I wanted to put. It depends on you, but this is my way, okay? Alright. Just keep on turning, turn them slowly. There's no hurry. I turn everything. Now I have to wait for a while, then I'm going to turn it again. I don't want this chicken to be dry. I don't love dry chicken, so I don't like it at all. Just going to give it time, then I'm going to turn it again. Yeah. As you can see, the chicken is juicy. Yeah. Very nice chicken, and this is a lot of chicken, so a lot of food. Yeah, I'm cooking for my family, so I'll keep on going. Nice chicken, nice food. Okay. That's the outcome of my chicken. As you can see, you can use it with salad, whatever way you want to eat it, but that's how I do my chicken. It's not dry, well done, well spiced, so I'm okay. I have a lunch here, or dinner. I don't have to eat out, okay? Very easy way. Alright, how to make the chicken. Alright, show me yours, I will appreciate. This is the rest of the chicken now, okay? You're most welcome. You can come and eat with me. The door is open for you.